Have you found yourself wanting to notify users of upcoming maintenance or changes to your Kestra instance? Well, you can do that with announcements. You can add an announcement which will add a banner at the top of your screen by going over to administration and then instance. And inside of here, you'll get the option to press announcements. Now you can create different announcements using the menu here, and you can change them to run at different start times. So here I can just put a simple message of maintenance is scheduled to run tomorrow. Here I've got my announcement, which when I press save now, you can see it's at the top of the screen, very clear for us to see. I can also turn it off at the click of a button, and when I refresh the page, we can see that it's gone. I can also do one for system instability, and I can set the type to error here or warning. So when I press save here, we can see the announcements now at the top in red. And here's what a warning would look like too. So you've got options for the different types of announcements you want to make, and these will be visible anywhere you go in Kestra. So if I'm editing a workflow, I can see these at the top of the page. So it's a great way to notify your users, especially if you've got upcoming maintenance, maybe you're experiencing some system instability, or maybe there's some errors happening where some workflows are maybe not executing quite right, and you want to notify people so they can expect to see some unexpected behavior. Announcements makes it easy to keep your users in the loop of any maintenance upcoming and any potential problems that are happening with your Kestra instance. I'd love to hear how you're using announcements in the comments below.